Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the cells you want to check for duplicates. This focuses Excel's tools and avoids false matches. Once done, save a copy so you can revert if needed. Make sure headers are excluded from the selection or include them consistently across columns. Use Ctrl+Shift+Down to grab a full column quickly. You're preparing the sheet, so subsequent conditional formatting works correctly and highlights actual duplicate values rather than empty cells or headers. Now apply conditional formatting to mark duplicates visually. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, then duplicate values. Pick a highlight color that stands out. If you need a custom style, choose Custom Format and set fill, font, and border so duplicates pop. For duplicates across multiple columns, add a helper column using concatenate or text join to combine fields. Then apply the same duplicate rule to that helper. This ensures Excel compares combined keys rather than single cells. Finish by filtering on the highlight color to review duplicates before deleting anything. This gives you control and prevents accidental loss. If you confirm removal, use Data Remove Duplicates and pick the correct columns so only exact duplicates drop. If results look wrong, troubleshoot by trimming hidden spaces with Trim and Standardizing Case with upper or lower in a helper column, because leading/trailing spaces or case differences often cause mismatches. Once fixed, reapply formatting to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.